How to do live plotting on NineFocus. Let's take a look on how to use live plotting to view measurement data in real time. First, go to the menu. Press Methods, and then Measurement. In the Methods list, press New, and then pick Interval Measurement from the generic templates. We will show an example with both pH and conductivity measurement, so in the Configuration tab, set the number of parameters to 2. And set the second parameter to conductivity. Then press Create. Go to Sequence. Press Measurement. And then go to the General tab. Set the interval time to 1 second. Then press OK. Back and save. Then create task and start. Insert the sensor into the sample and press OK. Press the icon to enter uFocus mode. Then press the Graph button to see the graph view. Press Edit View to open the Settings panel, then Additional Curve and select parameter B to show both values at once. You could also select the raw value or temperature of either curve. But let's stick with the measured values for now. Press Back and observe how the measured values develop. In our example, we are adding sodium hydroxide solution to dilute hydrochloric acid. Observe the changes in pH and conductivity as we add the base to the acid. Note also that you can zoom and scroll to focus on specific sections of the plot. Once the measurement is complete, press the Manual Endpoint button to finish it. The final results for each channel will be shown. If you want to revisit the plot, you can navigate the button on the top left and click Graph. You can still select different parameters Once you are done reviewing the graph, press OK to return to the home screen.